A great area for a day trip is the Ring of Kerry, a scenic drive around the Iveragh Peninsula in the southwest of Ireland's County Kerry. As Simona and I both don't have a driver's license, we once again had to rely on an organized tour. We stopped at many great viewpoints, small villages, and even a really beautiful waterfall.
One of our highlights was meeting an Irish Wolfhound Puppy. Yes, you heard that right. This guy is not even a year old. We also really enjoyed the beautiful views and our stops in Sneem and Killarney.